Good afternoon, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and today I'm planning my strategy for the no spin, low spin January. And here I have this little organizer calendar to where I can plan some tentative meals. And I haven't started it yet, but I'm planning to do that as I see what I have to work with for meals. And then over here, I've started again. Well, I've already used this journal as to keep track of what I was eating when I was on my diet during the summer. Well, okay, I weighed myself just before lunch, and I weighed 160 pounds. Now I got down to 157. So during this holiday season, I only gained about 3 pounds. And so I think it's a good idea for me to keep track of what I'm eating and to make sure that I don't gain too much weight back. And then in the summer, I can go on, when the weather warms up, I can go on another diet and lose the pounds that I put on, and maybe hopefully lose a few more. Now, I've journaled what I had for breakfast and what I had for lunch, and I'm still eating on the black-eyed pea soup that I made New Year's Eve. I have probably about 1/4 pot left. I've had, so far, I've had 3 bowls of this soup, black-eyed pea soup. And my son had 1 bowl on New Year's Eve. And so tonight, I think I have some bacon that I thawed out. It was in the freezer. And I'm hankering for some BLT bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches. And then I'll have another heaping cup of the black-eyed pea soup to go with that. And then after that, I think I'll just stretch it out into lunches until it's gone, and I'll go on to something else. Tomorrow, I'm thinking maybe I'll make a mac and cheese to go with for dinner and with a salad, since I'm going to be breaking into my lettuce and tomatoes that I bought. I bought that on Monday so that I can start out with salads and BLTs. And so I have lots of options, and what I'm planning to do is just go through and make as many meals as I can with the food I have in the freezer and in the refrigerator. I stocked up on oranges and apples, and I found a pineapple on sale for 99 cents at Kroger's, and I picked that up right before Christmas, I think, or right before New Year's. I can't remember which. And I've already sliced that up, and that's in the refrigerator, and I'll have that for a snack this afternoon. And then what I do is I write my entry in after my meals or just before, so, when I know exactly what I'm going to have. And then from there I can, that way I can keep a perfect track of what I'm eating each day. And so, okay, I'm going to put my waist measurement and my BMI under that weight to make sure that's not going up on me too much. And then I have a lot of ideas. Next week is I'll be working in Zone 2, the kitchen, and I'm choosing this week or next week to sort of clean out my pantry. I'll be pulling things out to see what I have and making a meal plan around that. I have plenty of flour and yeast, so I can make my own bread. I'm still on a 1 loaf of whole wheat bread that I got for free at Kroger's, and when that's gone, sometime next week I'll be probably baking some bread. And then when I run out of food, of course, it'll be less, and I may have to do a little bit of grocery shopping, and then I'll use what I have plus what I can find on sale. But right now I have a wide choice of food, and I do still have about a pound of dark turkey meat, and so I'm planning to make turkey tetrazzini, and I found a recipe in my Southern Living cookbook for pasta, and so that will stretch out for a few meals. And then for lunches, I'm planning to use up the black eyed pea soup, and that'll get me through the weekend probably. And then I bought 3 pounds of ground meat, and I already had 1 pound of very lean ground beef in the freezer. So that will get me through. And then I have some things, some canned chicken. I have some chicken in the freezer also, and some canned chicken in the pantry, and some Vienna sausage that I'm probably going to use to make a rice pilaf, and then add little slices of those Vienna sausages in that maybe next week. I'm not sure. I'll have to work out. What I'm going to do is try to make my meals as healthy as I can. I have lots of frozen vegetables, and I have things to make a salad in my vegetable bin, and I have lots of potatoes and onions. So that's going to get me through the first part. And then the second part, well, I'll go 2 weeks for sure. And then after that, I'm going to have maybe meals without meat as well. And I don't think that will hurt me because I've been eating very well through October, November, and December. And so I will be eating pretty well through the first 2 weeks of this no spin January. And other people are doing this too. So check out some of the other channels. Kate Caden is the one that got me onto this no spin January. And a lot of people are doing pantry challenges and things like that. So this should be interesting. And I'll keep you posted on how this goes so that you can maybe jump in where you're at now to do a low spin, no spin January, or maybe even both January and February. And I'll go on as long as I can without going grocery shopping until I'm just, I need food to get to do a meal, the next meal or whatever it is. So I have plenty of breakfast food, and I'm planning a lot of soups for lunches and dinners too. And so that's where I'm at now. And I'm excited to see if I can fill out this whole month with a meal plan. When I do, I'll show it to you and maybe run through it with you so that you can get some ideas of simple meals. And since I am overweight, I'm not worried about having meatless meals or even a little fasting during this January. Okay, thanks for watching, kids. Please like and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Bye now.